To set up app lock on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select the apps. Now navigate to the app lock, then click on turn on, and that way you will see a password. So you need to create the app lock password, which you will use to unlock apps that you want to access. So I will create something simple like this. And then when we're ready, click on next. Now you can sign into your Xiaomi account if you want. This will allow you to recover that password if it's lost. In this case, I'm gonna click on that now. Of course, you can do it if you like. Now, next step is to confirm use app lock. Then it will ask you for a fingerprint unlock. If you don't want to use fingerprint to unlock those apps, then click on cancel. If you want, just unlock it right here. I'm going to cancel it for now, and after that we'll be able to see which apps are exactly locked, and you can enable or disable any of those apps to unlock them. Now let's try to access one of those apps. In this case, we can go for a gallery. As you can see right here, when I open it, I need to provide it with my screen lock to access it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.